If you've been on the hunt for a high-performance stock pot that combines durability, versatility, and style, look no further than this Alpine Cuisine 13-Quart Aluminum Caldero Stock Pot with glass lid. Whether you're preparing a delicious family meal or cooking for a large event, this Caldero pot is designed to meet all your cooking needs while offering superb heat distribution and long-lasting performance. Key features of the Alpine Cuisine 13-Quart Aluminum Caldero. Number 1. Superior heat distribution for even cooking. One of the standout features of the Alpine Cuisine Caldero is its ability to evenly distribute heat. The pot's high-quality aluminum construction allows it to retain heat efficiently, ensuring your food cooks evenly without hot spots. Whether you're simmering soup, making rice, or cooking beans, you can trust that every ingredient will cook perfectly. Number 2. Durability and strength. Built with long-lasting durability in mind, this Caldero is designed to withstand daily use in the kitchen. The Alpine Cuisine Caldero is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, which is known for its ability to resist rust, stains, and odors. This pot is made to handle a wide range of cooking tasks, from simmering delicate soups to searing meats or roasting vegetables. The riveted handles provide a secure and comfortable grip, making it easy to move the pot around when it's hot. No more worrying about dropping it or dealing with flimsy handles. Plus, the handles stay cool to the touch during cooking, ensuring your safety in the kitchen. Number 3. Perfect size for any occasion. With a 13-quart capacity, the Alpine Cuisine Caldero is the perfect size for both large and small meals. Whether you're cooking for your family on a weekday night or preparing a feast for a crowd at a holiday gathering, this pot gives you the flexibility to handle any cooking task. It's equally great for making large batches of soup, chili, rice, beans, or pasta, and works perfectly as a serving vessel for your guests. Number 4. Non-stick coating for effortless cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking can often be a chore, but with the non-stick surface of the Alpine Cuisine Caldero, cleanup becomes a breeze. The non-stick coating prevents food from sticking to the surface, which means fewer stuck-on bits and less scrubbing. After you've enjoyed your delicious meal, simply wipe it down with warm water or place it in the dishwasher for even more convenience. Number 5. Glass lid for easy monitoring. The included glass lid is a fantastic feature, allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks without lifting the lid and releasing heat. This means your food cooks faster and more efficiently, which is especially important for dishes that require careful attention. Plus, the lid is designed to fit securely, preventing any spills or splatters. Number 6. Multi-purpose use. The Alpine Cuisine 13-Quart Aluminum Caldero is not just for everyday home cooking. It's also great for special occasions, such as holidays, family reunions, and outdoor events. Its large capacity makes it easy to serve large groups, while its sleek design ensures it looks impressive on the dinner table. Whether you're hosting a formal dinner or a casual barbecue, this versatile Caldero has you covered. Why choose the Alpine Cuisine 13-Quart Aluminum Caldero? Choosing the Alpine Cuisine Caldero Stock Pot over other cookware options means you're investing in a high-quality, durable, and versatile kitchen essential that can handle all of your cooking needs. Here's why it stands out. Even cooking. The aluminum material ensures consistent heat distribution, preventing uneven cooking. Long-lasting. Sturdy construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, stains, and odors. Versatility. Perfect for a wide variety of dishes from soups to stews, making it ideal for both casual and formal occasions. Easy maintenance. The non-stick surface makes it easy to clean and maintain, reducing the time spent on after-cooking cleanup. Large capacity. The 13-quart size is perfect for cooking large portions for big groups, saving you time and effort. Conclusion. This Alpine Cuisine 13-Quart Aluminum Caldero Stock Pot with glass lid is the ultimate cooking companion, offering superior heat distribution, durability, and versatility for all your cooking needs. Its large capacity, non-stick surface, and thoughtful design features make it an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or hosting a large gathering, this stock pot will meet all your cooking demands and exceed expectations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.